Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this video, we're going to talk about securities-based financing, which is a great financing option for any business and something even startups are able to get. So let's dive in. You can use existing stocks as leverage and bonds to be able to get business financing. Now, with this program, you could borrow as much as 90% of the value of your stocks and bonds, and then you continue to still earn interest on those stocks and bonds that you've actually pledged as collateral. You can get approved and fund in less than 3 weeks, and you're able to get interest rates of about 5%. The cool thing is this is a working capital line of credit. It's a line of credit that you can use and reuse, and personal credit and cash flow don't matter. So you can get this even as a startup. You can get this even if you have serious personal credit issues. And if you don't have stocks and bonds, well, then you could use the stocks and bonds of somebody else as a guarantor. So this makes this easier to go to family members and friends, as over 75% of entrepreneurs do. And instead of them giving you cash, being able to let them use their stocks and bonds as leverage to help you get financing to grow your business. If you'd like to get approved for this kind of financing and all other kinds of legitimate financing that are in the business world, go to creditsuite.com/get funding, or feel free to give us a ring at 877-600-2487.